Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa panibagong upload. For this video, ipapakita po natin ang mga available na mura, pasok sa budget, na maayos na sasakyan. Lahat naman po ito ay mechanic inspected, well maintained and well preserved unit. Lahat po ito na-scan na po natin. Kaya sa mga kababayan kong naghahanap ng sasakyan, panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Alright, let's start. Pero bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, paki-like and subscribe naman po at isama mo ng notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. First unit na kasama sa ating lineup, mayroon po tayong 2016 Ford EcoSport 1.5 titanium, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 62,000 km, price 395,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Kung may naghahanap naman dyan ng Ford EcoSport, eto po, top of the line series, naka-keyless entry na to, push start button, multi-info display, may phone connectivity, may voice command, may auxiliary and Bluetooth ready, all power and all panel gauge, working po lahat. May dash camera installed, front and rear, at meron na rin po itong rear parking sensor. Naka-factory leather seat po ang mga upuan nito, 5-seater ang capacity, at isa pang maganda dito, meron na rin po itong sunroof. Gumagana rin po ang sunroof nito. First owned unit, clean and fresh ang interior, pwede sa masela na buyer. Under the hood, naka 4-cylinder, 16 valve, 1.5 TI BCT gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. Good running condition ng engine, no issue. Outside appearance, smooth original shiny paint. Meron na rin pong rain gutter yan. Naka-garnish na po ang mga ilaw. Naka-stock 16 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong neto makakapal pa. Nasa 90% trade life. Kompleto ang mga papel neto, ready for transfer at naka-registered daw hanggang 2025. Next, 2014 Toyota Vios 1.3e, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 60,000 km, price 380,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap naman dyan ng quality at presentable na Toyota Vios, all stock, all original to, power steering, naka-dual SRS airbag, malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control, maayos at intact pa naman ang upholstery nitong unit, mga upuan malinis at wala naman pong mga punit yan, solid ang under chassis nitong unit, mga pang-ilalim buo pa, wala pong kalampag. Under the hood, naka-single VVTi 1.3 liter gas engine that produces 98 horsepower at 123 Nm of torque. Wala pong oil leakage ang engine nito, wala po itong overheat history, no issue. Available po itong unit sa financing, plus check po ng computation, nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po ang computation na yan. Kung may mga inquiry po kayo regarding sa financing requirements, just comment down below sa video at i-assist ko po kayo. Next, we have 2009 Nissan X-Trail 2.5 CVT 4x4, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 102,000 km, price 298,000. Location, Gatchalian, Las Piñas City. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng 4-wheel drive na Nissan X-Trail, eto 2009 model to pero well maintained and well preserved unit. Smooth ang responsive ang transmission, malakas sumatak, wala pong delay. May dashcam installed na rin to, clean and fresh, intact interior, kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan. Maayos po ito, pwede sa masela na buyer. 5-seater ang capacity, maayos ang pang-ilalim, wala po itong kalampag. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-check at i-view ang unit and you can bring your trusted mechanic po. Ang isa pang maganda dito sa Nissan X-Trail, maluwag po ang trunk space nitong unit kaya marami kayong may load. Meron na rin tong roof rail, makinis po itong unit, very presentable. Must see the unit to appreciate. Nothing to fix po ang unit na to. LTO 1HPG verified. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito. Naka-registered to hanggang 2025. Ready for long drive itong unit. Just gas and go. Next, 2009 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI. Automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 103,000 km. Price 340,000. Location, Parañaque City. Pasok sa budget itong 7-seater. Tapos diesel pa yung engine. 6-speed automatic transmission, all power and all mechanism, gumagana po lahat. Malamig ang aircon nitong unit, pati yung sa likod, working po ang aircon, malamig. Pristine interior condition, naka-factory leather pa po ang mga upuan nito, pati sidings. Perfect tong unit pang family use at very fuel efficient pa po ang unit na to. First owned unit, well maintained and well preserved po ito. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade life. Kompleto rin ang mga papel nito, naka-registered hanggang 2025, ready to use, just diesel and go. Next, 2015 Hyundai Accent 1.6 GL CRDI, manual transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 56,000 km, price 328,000. Location, Parañaque City. Meron din akong sinamang manual na sedan na diesel yung engine, fuel efficient at maayos manakbo. first owned unit, clean and fresh, intact interior. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga upuan, hindi ito masyadong gamit ng first owner. Check nyo po actual mileage, not tampered. Under the hood, superb engine condition, very fuel efficient. Naka 1.6 liter diesel engine that produces 128 horsepower at 260 Nm of torque. 100% not flooded unit, 100% no accident history. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong puntahan ng unit, only check, only test drive, and you can bring your trusted mechanic para magkaroon kayo ng peace of mind. Next, 2015 Ford EcoSport 1.5 titanium, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 65,000 km, price 375,000. Location, Parañaque City. Another subcompact crossover SUV. Meron din tayong Ford EcoSport. Kanina may kulay blue, ito kulay white. Pilian nyo na lang po ito, pares po top of the line. Push start button, meron na rin po itong sunroof, naka all leather po ang mga upuan. 5-seater ang capacity nito, private use only, not bank repo. For more quality units, you can visit my Facebook page, J. Catskill Vlogs. Marami rin po akong unit na nakapost doon. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 1.5 liter TI VCT gas engine that produces 110 horsepower at 140 Nm of torque. No oil leakage and no overheat history. Overall appearance itong unit, naka-stock original shiny paint pa po yan. Naka-stock 16 inches alloy wheels at ang mga gulong na ito nasa 85% trade life. Kompleto rin ang mga papel nito at naka-register to hanggang February 2025. Next, 2007 Hyundai Santa Fe 2.2 CRDI, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 93,000 km, price 315,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Another pasok sa budget na mid-size SUV, 7-seater ang capacity, all stock, all original, well-maintained and well-preserved unit to kahit 2007 model. Check this out mga bossing at idol ko. Malamig ang aircon with automatic climate control. Goods na goods pa po ang unit na to. Maganda, maayos pa po ang interior nitong unit. Maayos ang kondisyon ng mga upuan. Naka-factory leather pa po yan. Wala pong mga crack, walang punit. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng around 300k ang budget na 7-seater, pwede nyo pong i-consider to. Under the hood, garantisadong wala pong issue ang makina. No talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Smooth po ang andar nitong unit. Malinis po ang makina nito at pwede rin nyo pong i-check. Sa mga ganitong klaseng edad ng unit, mas better po magdala kayo ng sarili yung mechanic, yung marunong po na marunong mag-check. Para aside sa checking ko, ma-double check po nila ng maayos. Best buy po tong unit, presentable outside appearance. Next, 2011 Nissan Sentra 1.3 GX, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 78,000 km, price 225,000. Location, BF Homes, Las Piñas City. Another murang sedan na maayos ang kondisyon nito, all stock, all original, first owned, smooth and responsive, 4-speed automatic transmission, all panel gauge, gumagana po lahat. Check nyo po actual mileage, original po yan, not tampered. Quality unit for only 225,000 pesos, mapapasign nyo na po ito. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, malinis po ang makina nito, wala po itong tagis ng langis, wala po itong overheat history, naka-Amaron battery pa to, good running condition, ready for long drive itong unit. Available din po itong unit sa financing, plus check ng computation, nasa screen. Sulit na sulit pa itong bilhin kahit 2011. Alaga po ito ng may-ari at used but not abused. Next, 2011 Toyota Vios 1.3J Limited, manual transmission, gas engine, odometer, 83,000 km, price 245,000. Location, Parañaque City. Sa naghahanap naman dyan ng Toyota Vios na manual yung transmission, eto all power, Batman series, all stock, all original. Alagang-alaga rin to ng first owner. Maayos po ang kondisyon ng loob nito, ng interior, ng engine, wala pong issue. Goods na goods to kahit yung pang ilalim, solid under chassis, wala rin po itong kalampag. Sasakyan mo na lang tong unit, ready for long drive. Ang apat na gulong yan, bago po lahat. Sa mga interesado po at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung smart and WhatsApp account ko po. I-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2011 Ford Fiesta 1.6L, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 90,000 km, price 245,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Another low budget ulit na sedan para mas marami po tayong choices na pagpipilian. All power and all mechanism working, smooth and responsive, 6-speed automatic transmission. Goods na goods pa itong unit sa 2011 model. Used but not abused. Alaga rin to ng first owner. Sa mga may kursunada sa unit nyo to, pwede nyo pong puntahan ng unit. I-actual, negotiable available pa po to upon viewing. Sa mga idol at bossing ko na hindi pa nakapag-subscribe dyan, pa-click that subscribe button naman po para maging updated kayo kapag may i-upload akong bagong video. Next, 2014 Chevrolet Sonic 1.4 LT, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 55,000 km, price 278,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Another quality na sedan. Check this out mga bossing. All stock, all original. Smooth and responsive. 6-speed automatic transmission. Ice cold aircon. Clean and fresh intact interior. Maayos po kondisyon ng interior nito, pati mga upuan. Reason for sale nitong unit, nag-upgrade lang po ng SUV ang first owner. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Naka-Amaron battery na po yan. Naka 1.4 liter 4-cylinder 16 valve gas engine that produces 138 horsepower at 170 Nm of torque. Ready to use na po itong unit, no issue. Available din po itong unit sa financing. Please check ng computation, nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung cash basis po, negotiable upon viewing at free na po ang transfer of ownership. Feel free to inquire sa mga interesado at i-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2009 Honda City 1.3 i-VTEC, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 85,000 km, price 315,000. Location, BF Homes, Parañaque City. Baka may kursunada nito sa inyo, naghahanap ng Honda City na Transformer Series, 2009 model to pero will maintain and well preserved unit, negotiable upon viewing, madaling kausap po ang owner nito. 5-speed automatic transmission, all power, steering, windows, doors and mirrors, working po lahat. All stock, all original interior, pwede sa masela na buyer to. Solid and strong under chassis, wala po itong kalampag. 100% not flooded unit at 100% no accident history. Under the hood, smooth and quiet engine, superb quality. Naka 1.3 liter i-VTEC gas engine that produces 99 horsepower at 127 Nm of torque. Naka Motolite battery na rin to, ready to use. Outside appearance nitong unit, makinis. Naka-stock original shiny paint pa po yan. Kompleto ang mga papel, ready for transfer at naka-register din to hanggang February 2025. Sasakyan na lang tong unit, just gas and go. Next, 2013 Nissan X-Trail 2.5 Xtronic CVT, automatic transmission, gas engine, odometer, 78,000 km, price 388,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Eto, gwapo rin na 4-wheel drive na Nissan X-Trail, naka ice cold dual aircon, mated with CVT auto 6-speed sequential with 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive option, all power, seats, windows, doors and mirrors, gumagana po lahat. 5-seater ang capacity, naka premium leather, factory leather pa po ang mga upuan. Solid and strong ang under chassis nitong unit, wala po itong kalampag. Private use all-in at bank repo. Good condition ng unit, no issue. Reason for sale ng unit, nag-upgrade po ng pickup. Ang maganda lang dito talaga sa X-Trail, maluwag ang cargo bay nito. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood. Smooth and quiet engine, malakas sumatak. Naka 2.5 liter gas engine that produces 125 horsepower at 226 Nm of torque. Swabe manakbo, no engine issue, no hidden defects. Must see the unit to appreciate. Sa mga interesado, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po, or you can comment down below sa video para ma-assist ko po kayo. Next, 2010 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLS 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, odometer, 81,000 km, price 490,000. Location, Gatchalian, Las Piñas City. Naka-personalized plate na yan at naka-registered yan hanggang March 2025. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng affordable na SUV, eto 7 to 8 seater capacity, all power and all panel gauge, working po lahat. Pristine interior condition, naka-leather seat cover na pong mga upuan neto. Excellent and presentable interior condition. Alaga po ito ng first owner, kita naman sa itsura ng upuan. Malinis ang ceiling nito, sidings, pati trunk space, all intact. Best buy unit to, kaya kung naghahanap ka ng SUV na around 500k ang budget, pwede nyo pong i-consider to mga bossing at idol ko. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursunadahan kayo. At kung wala pa po dyan yung unit na kursunada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Marami pong salamat. Hanggang sa next upload. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out.